Umintri rangba akonrat ki sangma haka singin kong ulawan ra eka suwa motu statement haka singin sedang jong ka dorba senrai ka ying dorba thau an ka jela ukonrat uloong ba haka khat khandai dari unailar ka rally ra lama yong da ka thuk jong ka Khasi Students Union lapen long halor ka jing ai jing bit jong Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills haringkat ka jingte kular na ka KSU ba ka ni ka rally ka nong ka bachai jai Henry katu kat ni runar kle eka kam thombor kintup eka jingkawang mau ya ki life huwi ki kali but thombor ya ki nong ya nong yeng ulapentip bahagani ka jo kamit ki pulit ki lakem yo president vice president but general secretary ka KSU hapo ka kindon ba pher jong ka BNSS but lapentre kamru ya ka Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act Ula ongru basanmut kibriu tap khamat la daban itu kum ki badan keti hagi kam thombor haga khat khanai tarik unailar kamtam haga jing thombor ki kali Assam but uwe ula shakem ka Sorkar kala thung ya ken hun special investigation team ban itu bat tokit ya baro ki runar ki badan keti hagi kam thombor hashilong kamtam kitu ki bathombor ki kali Assam but ban pintikna pekin cha penchitom kat kum ka an Umintri rangba ulaya thu bakaladan kecingalang hapdeng kikin hun na kecela Meghalaya bat Assam haga arpo atari gunailar badeka pakhang surak kejurabat balapen long deki sengna Assam lala ban wengno menta Ulapen tibru bo simbut mentri rangba katana transport ubasnya phalang dhar ulalum ya kecingalang bat ki association ka Meghalaya haga bakini ki association kila menjur ban wengno ya ki jingya ki baran sepenlong ru ya kecingalang bat ki association haga tayo wa ar jong nailur banyakren shu ya ki weipat kimat Ulak kular baka Sorkar kan cimnya baro ki sinjam bat kilat kilinti baro kiben pinti kena baki runar ki badan kiti bat le ki kam thombor kinyo ya kajing pin saja badai hong.
A black flag bike rally by the KSU was undertaken on approval of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, with an undertaking from the KSU that the bike rally would be peaceful. However, during the rally, some miscreants indulged in violent acts, including pelting stones at 31 vehicles and attacking innocent bystanders, which included 8 vehicles from Assam with Assam registration. 18 people were injured and all were taken for medical attention to Shillong Civil Hospital. On the same night, the President, the Vice President and the General Secretary of the KSU were arrested under various sections of the BNSS and the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act was invoked. 15 FIRs have been filed so far in connection with the incident on 19th of August 2026. 5 masked persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incident of 19th August 2026, particularly in the attacks on Assam registered vehicles. One of them has been already arrested. The government of Meghalaya has constituted a special investigation team to identify and investigate all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for attacks on Assam registered vehicles, and to ensure their prosecution in accordance with law. The SIT is headed by the IG Law and Order. Further, to ensure normalcy between Assam and Meghalaya, a joint meeting was held on the 22nd of August 2026 between the two delegations headed by Deputy CM Meghalaya and Senior Cabinet Minister from Assam, Shri Atul Boraji, and Deputy CM, Shri Snobalang Dharji. which was attended by the respective chief secretaries and senior officials. Based on the meeting, the road blockade at Jorabat by the Assam associations was called off, leading to resumption of normalcy in the movement of essential commodities across the state. A dedicated hotline between Assam and Meghalaya has been established. Permanent district-level joint committees will be constituted, comprising the Deputy Commissioner Nongpo and the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Metropolitan, along with police officers of the corresponding level from both districts, to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. A joint committee comprising the Commissioner, Secretary-level transport authorities of both states, along with representatives of the Tourist Vehicle Association, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya.